Alright, so now we're going to do average speed. So just take note that the average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Now what you cannot do is add up two speeds and then divide by 2. For example, you cannot take 60 plus 70 and then after that divide by 2. Why is it that you cannot do that? Because take note, the amounts of time are different. So you cannot just divide it by 2. You can only do that if the amount of time taken is the same. Then it will be a fair comparison. So let's go over to question 7 now and do this together. So circle and write EG. Okay, Joe drove for 1 1/4 hour from city A to city B at a constant speed of 84 km per hour. He then drove for 1 3/4 hours from city B to city C at a constant speed of 60 km per hour. So I'm going to draw a diagram for both of this. It looks like a timeline. So we start city A and then to city C, and then B somewhere in the middle. This portion took 1 1/4 hour for 84 km per hour, and this side took, sorry about that, and this side took 1 3/4 hour for 60 km at 60 km per hour. Okay, so now we need to find the distance between A and B and the distance between B and C. So distance between A and B. Okay, so we have the time and we have the speed. So let's apply the formula. Just check that the units are correct. The speed is in km per hour and the time is per hour. So that's great. You can take 84 times 1 1/4 hour. Okay, so since calculators are allowed, key this into your calculator. You would get 105 km, which means that this portion, let's change color, this portion is 105 km. Okay, now we go to the distance between B and C. So now the speed has changed, the time has also changed. The units are correct, hours and hours, so I can use 60 times 1 3/4. Okay, everyone key it into your calculator and see what you will get. The answer is also 105. So now you know that even though B to C took, so even though it took longer to travel from B to C, because it was traveling at a short because it was traveling at a slower speed, the amount of distance covered is actually the same. So now we can apply average speed formula. Okay, so the total distance would be 105 times 2, which is 210. Total time taken at the time together, 1 1/4 hours and 1 3/4 hours. Again, if you want to put units, put it all around, not just for one sentence or only part of the, so you can't do this. Okay, make sure that your presentation is consistent. So that will be 3 hours. So the average speed will be the total distance divided by the total time, which is 70 km per hour.